In terms of, Oracle's real and, substantive push into Gen AI, do you think that you can be a leader? Do you think Oracle can be a leader in this space?
Yeah, in fact, Oracle already is leading in this space. We invest in 3 major swim lanes around generative AI. The first area that we built out over the last couple of years has been our supercluster technology, which has kind of become an industry standard for training these large language or generative AI models. And that's really focused on the creation and working with startups and PE-backed companies that have been at the forefront of bringing new models into the market. Now we're starting to focus more on the inferencing and the utilization of the models. And we've been tackling that in 2 dimensions. So one is to provide cloud services that customers can use directly to use the generative technology in their own applications and their own workflows or their own business automation initiatives. And then the other is we're delivering the technology embedded within our SaaS portfolio. So we have horizontal applications for things like human capital management or enterprise resource management. This is all areas where we embed the generative models, and then we deliver them to customers in easy-to-consume, already tested, vetted forms. So I think I saw the clip from Ali. He makes a good point that enterprises right now are trying to figure out how to use the tech when they're building bespoke solutions. But one of the advantages that Oracle has is we're delivering applications now where the technology is already embedded into the apps. It's already there, so customers can use it in a vetted, tested way that's already proven to be safe and effective.
Okay, they can use it as is, and in terms of the safe and effective, I'm sure there's been so much, testing done in that regard. But the common refrain that comes up is, there is a little bit of reticence on the part of a number of these organisations that, and this is something that Microsoft's addressed and others have addressed in terms of the litigation, in terms of copyright infringement, in terms of all of these issues. Is that something that Oracle or you have to really work around in a sense?
It's a great question. Enterprises are on a spectrum. Some of them are very conservative. Some are taking a wait and see to understand how regulators and how legal frameworks would deal with some of these issues. Other companies are more aggressive and moving faster. So there's not really one answer on this. It depends on the disposition of the company to take risk when there's a new and emerging technology. But there's such a wave of this. Just like the internet raised all kinds of questions around copyright, around content sharing, et cetera, and people just pushed ahead, the markets pushed ahead, venture capitalists pushed ahead. We're seeing the same thing with generative AI.